unfortunately pushed. Eventually shot back.
Kita tunggu waktu ini mau mulai. Musiknya hampir tidak kedengaran apa-apa.
Of course, flag-to-flag races here at MotoGP, but if it was to rain, the bigger concern is what happens with it and how torrential it is, because yesterday was stuck in the water. His bike was on fire on the pit lane on Thursday. Alex Rins, well, he's on fire himself at the moment in terms of his lap time. Brilliant performance this by Alex Rins. He's working through that top five. He's got 6 seconds of distance on the Malaysia. At this stage, so to find a way past. Well, he's a faster man, as you can see. He's being held up in the corners by Bautista. He just can't. He's got the inside line, runs it tight into turn number 14. That was inevitable because Bautista was holding him up. So Vignales then hold up with the captain and the slipstream down this back straight. Rossi leads from Zarco, Marquez, Miller, Dobby, Pedrosa, Rins, there's Petrucci. Vignales does hold off Bautista into the hairpin, and it's still Cyrene in 11th. Well, in the drive prior to the Pedrosa's his bike was on fire on the pit lane on Thursday. Alex Rins, well, he's on fire himself at the moment in terms of his lap time. Brilliant performance this by Alex Rins. He's working through that top five. He's got 6 seconds of distance on the Pedrosa. At this stage, so far, Dari for happy sales. That's the Sepang international circuit. The question is, do we get 20 laps in before those dark clouds appear? Because from our commentary box window right now, they are coming. Yeah, the blue sky to our right out of the commentary box is rapidly disappearing behind some thick grey cloud cover. Let's hope we don't get any disruptions. Let's hope we get a classic battle here in Sepang. 20 laps of the Shell Malaysia Motorcycle Grand Prix coming your way. Marc Marquez for the third time in his career in MotoGP, starting minded what happened on that particular day. Fascinating race coming up. MotoGP hits Malaysia. The lights go out. Good start there for Valentino Rossi, second on the grid. He's already gone past Nonton and he's got an absolute horror show start. Coming through though is the beloved balloon of Andrea Dovizioso. Jack Miller is also there as well. He's got the inside line, but Rossi leads into turn one. Flyer from Valentino Rossi then from the middle of that front row of the grid. Zarco did recover off that sluggish start. So Yamaha 1-2 as they sweep through the first two corners. There's Marc Marquez. He's just got Danny Pedrosa up alongside him at the moment. Rossi it is that still leads. Zarco is up behind him. We're now looking back at Marquez and Danny Pedrosa touched there. Bit of friendly fire or unfriendly fire as the case may be on the Repsol arms. Alex Rins had a big moment dropping down through turn number 3. Looked like he lost the rear. Lost a bit of ground there, did the Suzuki backside. It's Rossi sweeping through turn 5 for the first time from Zarco. Jack Miller got away well. He's on that medium rear type course. The only man in the field on that medium rear. Will that be decisive in the latter stage of the race? Looking there at that mirror and back to Johan Zarco. A quick Maverick Vignales check. He's still in 11th place. So it's not a bad start for him, but he won't want to hang around there for too long. As Marc Marquez here lines up on move on his old rival, Andrea Dovizioso, into turn 9. And he's got to Dovizioso. Marquez versus Dovizioso. How many times have we said that over the last 18 months in the MotoGP World Championship? Marquez in front of Dovizioso on the brakes into turn number 9. Still Rossi though. The whole advantage over Zarco coming through turn number 11 for the first time. Marquez started to look menacing behind Andrea. But it's a defensive line from here now. What a start by Happy Cyrene as well. Happy Cyrene started last in 23rd place. He's already up inside the top 12. He's 12 right behind Maverick Vignales. Brilliant start from Happy Cyrene. Coming down towards the turn 15 now, and it will be Valentino Rossi who will lead over the line. And the good news is for Malaysian fans. I think that was him reacting to the Marquez mistake. Happy Cyrene, the good news for Malaysian fans, I was about to say, there was no jump start, so what a launcher, what an aggressive first lap from the home crowd hero. So Andrea, you know him, there will be no 5th podium of the season for him. He's crashed out at turn 15 on the very first lap. Around turn 2 we go. Still Rossi from Zarco, Miller. There is Cyrene. Brilliant job. Made up 12 places into 11. Here is the Tech 3 rider. Well, he was emotional down on the grid, but he's pumped up at the moment. Well, he's keeping his emotions in check right now. What a start. There's Andrea Iannone, stricken Suzuki X-Star machine. Then he started from the front row for the first time since Austin, Texas. Marquez had the big moment in front of him. Marquez was wide, yeah. It was, I think, just avoiding action. Did he grab a handful of brake maybe?
You're right, guys. It's his reaction. Like automatically, you put a bit of input into the bars to avoid, but when you're on the edge of the tyre, it's enough to make it look like.
Yeah, he was waiting there for Marquez to either lose the front or ping himself into orbit, losing the rear. So unfortunate for Andrea Iannone. Danny Pedrosa's now getting a look up the inside of Andrea to show so turn 9. He can't make the same move. Yeah, he's returning that qualifying let's go. We've got super pace in the drive. Just got 9 early on the teaspoon, and we've got behind Petrucci. He's actually down further back in the road. He's now over 6 seconds behind his teammate Valentino Rossi. As you were with turn 15, under braking, Marc Marquez really is making up a lot of time. Of course, in MotoGP. Yeah, straight away once he's found a way to on Giant Zarco. Zarco had just nothing left in the locker to retaliate. Mixed day for the factory Suzuki team, then Andrea Iannone out in the very first lap. Marc Marquez almost high-siding in the final corner, reacting to that mistake by Marquez. Iannone went down on the deck, picking up the bats and falling next start. Suzuki team there was Alex Rins, who's did a brilliant job. Marquez can afford a look over his shoulder. Turn 14, the celebrations can begin. The last corner is approaching here in Malaysia. Second and third are sewn up, fourth and fifth likewise. As he rounds the final turn, it's job done here in Malaysia. Marc Marquez closes second to his win. It's Marc's Malaysia, the stand-up wheelie on the ground. He wins here in Sepang. A brilliant second place for factory Suzuki rider Alex Rins, and Suzuki's impressive form continues. And Johan Zarco is back on the podium for the first time since the red. Maverick Vinales fights his way through from 11th to 4th. That good mid-race pace to Vinales with that qualifying position really happening. What about this? Listen to the reception for Happy Cyrene. Take a bow against the Yamaha Tech 3 man. Smooth relation from his team, and why not? He started right at the back of the field in 23rd place. That's going to feel like a win for Happy Cyrene. What a performance by him inside the top 10. Creating history today as the first Malaysian to ride in the Malaysian MotoGP Grand Prix. Well, Valentino Rossi is about to come around the final turn. He's put up a valiant fight today. It was a good effort. On another day, maybe it would have been a heroic victory, but unfortunately, that one's going to sting. That one is really going to sting. Because he rode quite brilliantly for so much of that race, and then just that one tiny mistake, didn't he? As we said, the gap had come down to 6.5 tenths, and valiant Valentino, I think it's fair to say, he came over the line in 18th place. There can't be too many occasions in Valentino Rossi's the rest of his career where he's led for so long. And Clarko will now take complete control of that independent team rider battle, his first podium since the wreck, as Steve said. That's second place. He was pretty fortunate to get after the collision with Pedrosa that it shows so in Lorenzo. That second place for Alex Rins has launched him into 5th overall in the championship. Incredible result that. Johan Zarco's third means he is 1 point clear of Cal Quattro now, but Rins up into 5th. That is really, really impressive. Suzuki are coming. Pushed. Eventually shoved Valentino Rossi into the mistake. This is the key moment, the big talking point. It was just simmering up, boiling up Marty, wasn't it? And then Valentino Rossi, you know what it was, the rear at cable NMC. Just like that last lap in Le Mans with Maverick Vinales. At that moment, Valentino Rossi's heart sank. The whole of the movie star Yamaha camp there, heart sank. Thousands of fans here in Malaysia and tuning in around the world, well, they'd have been kicking the TV, chucking the remote control around the lounge because it didn't look like he was going to be fighting for the victory, didn't it?
Now, don't touch his shoulder, Scott.
Yeah, let's not have any over-exuberant celebration. We don't want any more dislocated shoulders, thank you very much.
Maverick Vinales takes a fourth place. He'll be frustrated, qualifying that chance of the podium in the end. Alex Rins comes into Parc Ferme there. Fantastic result. From 8th place on the grid as well. It's only really...
Semangat. Biar bisa nonton live tahun depan lagi, okey? Pulang satu hal buat kalian tetap jaga diri. Let's go, bye.